Welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be glad to show you how you can simply add people. As you see, adding people in VizMaker is quite simple, quite easy, and very fast and efficient. As you see, details and the quality level is amazing, and I'll show you in a few minutes how you can simply do the same. So as always, this file is under the tutorial. Feel free to download it to test it. VizMaker is completely free, and let's simply upload the image. So right click of the mouse, load. I am selecting my interior. You can do exactly the same with your interior, or with this interior. It will be also attached to the tutorial under the tutorial description. So I'm selecting this interior. I'm loading only one because I have already uploaded. And let's check my prompts. So you have here information about add people to the image. It will simply try to add some random people, how AI NanoBanana can see, or any other engine can see adding people to this image. Generally, it's almost always looks okay. It tries to fit scale, people, and environment, but you can also limit it or add some extra information. But the simplest way, you are selecting with left mouse over click your source file. You're selecting here image editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K. I'll simply change my aspect ratio to original here. And now I'm selecting from presets, add people, and I'm simply clicking make. And that's all. I can use the same button here like blurred people, add blurred people in emotion, and also simply clicking make, and that's all. So simply moving those tests here, and let's check the second idea, what we can do. We can add more details to our prompt. For example, I am selecting my source file here on the left side of the project, and I'm simply pasting information like add young woman in the low beige home clothes sitting on the sofa reading the book. You can prompt anything you wish about color, hair, about some details of the clothes, really anything. But general descriptions are also okay because AI will try to fit it. And now when I have my prompt in the correct place, simply selecting image editor NanoBanana Pro 2K original and simply hitting make. And that's all. Let's wait a second for the results. You can also create some typical close-ups, of course. I'll try to show you exactly the same. So I'm using a source. I'm using some close-up, create a beautiful close-up. It's also used from our preset button, clicking make, and let's wait for the results. As you see, you can add people to the close-up. It will use the same close-up, of course, the same prompt. So you're selecting your source image with the left mouse of a click, and let's use our close-up with people. So create a beautiful close-up shot showing woman with a laptop sitting on the sofa. Use deep field blur, add bokeh, use show details on the focus, add some details, small objects, and that's all. You're now in image editor, NanoBanana Pro 2K original, and simply hitting make. So as you see, details are quite fast and easy. As you see, it's now removed and just tried to work with our sofa. That's quite interesting. It can be also fine if we have some marketing stuff for sofas. Can be also good. Quite interesting how AI see it. So it's a good and interesting example how AI is creative and how AI can help you with your ideas and presentations. As you see, woman added perfectly, and comparing our first test and the second test, they're quite similar. Yeah, like very good. AI understands the prompting and the context very good. So yeah, that's what the very good result. The same here, we have blurred people in emotion, exactly perfectly fitted to the scale, places, and slight movement. As you see, everyone's going somewhere, so everything is logically okay. This woman's going to some door, this guy is going to the balcony, and this guy on the left side is going, I don't know, just going to maybe to the room or to the balcony as well. Here we have some people, of course, the simplest prompt. As you see, detail quality is exactly all typical interior designer needs. You can also add any details about the clothes, as you know, about the position of the people, and it's the easiest way how you can create a simple close-ups. And now we can add some extra doc here, so feel free to test and play with VizMaker. It will give you a lot of opportunities. Remember that this file is attached to this tutorial. It's completely free. And as you know, the results are quite consistent. We can also upload a second image with the kitchen, try to replicate those tests. And as always, right click of the mouse, load image. You can simply drag and drop this image. I'm selecting this kitchen. As you see, it's everything very simple. I'm loading only one because I have already worked with this image. And now all I need just to put some prompt. Yeah, I'll use exactly the same prompt. So yeah, let's paste it. a young couple cooking together in the kitchen. They love to each other and have a good time. So generally now you have a quite general description without the information about their clothes. You can add it simply like neutral colors. So colors will fit to the interior, yeah? That's also you can prompt, but I will not do this. Just want to show you that you can build any prompts and simply image editor, NanoBanana Pro, 2K original, and simply hitting make. You can also check different engines and try as you wish, but NanoBanana gives you quite good results. And the last but not least, let's check very photorealistic image. I'm a big fan of this image. Just check how good, how realistic it is, and how typical it is. Remember, you can use any images, you can use correct prompting, and you can put investor in the place of this man and the dog of your investor, obviously. I'll use this second image as well to show you that results are quite replicatable and quite easy to achieve. So I'm selecting the source image, I'm pasting my prompt here. So add a man pouring food into the bowl of a bulldog waiting nearby for the meal. Simply image editor as always here from the list, NanoBanana Pro of course, 2K original, and simply hitting make. And I can also hit make few times to receive few similar results. Like they will be not the same but quite similar. It's also some small trick for you. And let's check our prompt here. Very good, very good. Young couple laughing, cooking, everything's perfectly, like their faces are okay. No worries, as you see, no worries about glitches, AI problems, so feel free to download it and test it. And let's wait a second for the results here. As you know, you can simply download all those images in a few ways. You can right-click on your image, save selected media, or you can also select multiple images and do the same. Right-click of the mouse, save selected media, and save all the files you wish. So that's a few options. Let's check the details. What do we have here? So the first image, quite good, quite good. Let's check the second image as well. Just a little bit different guys and a little bit different bulldog placement. And let's select third option. Good as well, good as well. So now you know a little bit more how to add people, how to prompt it, and wish you good luck and see you in the next tutorial. Please download VizMaker for free and use this file, and don't waste your time. Try to become better with our AI prompts and with our education. So see you soon and have a good luck.